So we're here working on assignments at homework, and we hear this noise outside from this van. Like, what is it?
So it's not louder when you're close. It's louder when you're far away. That's the point. But the other thing that happens is the high frequencies are louder when you're farther away. Yeah.
What? Those ones do a lot of funky physics to the sound to make the high frequencies come out straighter.
Just another day in art school.